We are here in the Almaden Quicksilver County Park. The reason why I like it, because it's full of history and you get to explore some ghost towns. Yes, I do already have a video hiking this park. However, if you remember, we didn't finish this hike, so I went back with a couple friends a few months later to hike the history self-guided tour the park has for its visitors. So here's a clip of me showing the map of that trail the last time I was here. We are here at the Almaden Quicksilver County Park. But the cool thing about this place is that it does have a map. So here's the map right here, and it comes with a historic trail for you to follow. So Mayan, can you hold this for us and open it up to show us the map? So here is the map. So there are 14 different stops that you can do. I don't think we're gonna do all of it because that's just a really crazy hike, and I don't think we're ready for that today. Almaden Quicksilver County Park used to be the largest mercury mine in the United States and the second largest in the world. The mining didn't cease until 1912, and what is left are all the remnants of a chaotic mining community that once had thousands of people living and working throughout these hills. So we are in the middle of English Village right now, or English Camp, and then a few clocks up you'll find Spanish Camp. So yeah, it's just a really fun, rewarding type of hike where there are different locations where you can kind of, to motivate yourself and to continue on your hike, because the first part of the hike is brutal. It's all uphill and it's very tiring, but once you get to the camps, all that pain goes away because it's just really fun to explore these old camps. One of the biggest structures left relatively intact is the rotary furnace, a machine that heated the cinnabar rock to extract the mercury. Unfortunately, this process also caused toxic vapor to enter the sky, and the neighboring town and houses would experience acid rain from time to time. Luckily, this is a thing of the past. Now we just get to admire the beast of a machine. No, it's closed. It's supposed to be open.
I thought it was open.
So originally the San Cristobal mine was supposed to be open, but of course the day when I go, it's not open. Unfortunately, the ceiling did collapse in, which is why they had to block it off, but we were still able to peek inside, so all is good. So one thing that is not on the list, but is actually my favorite, is the Catherine Tunnel. So originally we thought it was a mining tunnel, but it turned out to be this dug out earth path, but it's surrounded by trees, and the way it's just carved out, it's almost romantic walking through it. And the view at the end, oh my god, you guys. Let's just say it's worth ending the video with it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave those likes and comments. I'll see you in my next video, and happy wandering. Bye!